All right, so we are Judah and I decided to jump on right now before the New York market opens. I'm expecting a pump here, Judah.
Yeah.
On Bitcoin, not everyone's so certain that. Oh, sorry, now I'm not unmuted. Welcome everybody. We decided to go live on the New York Open, and let me stop sharing. I think Bitcoin's going to pump upon market open. I really do. Let's take a look at the MEXC chart and see what's going on. Market's opening in 2 minutes. So I have let me go to the 5 minute chart here. I created some, if you see this, I think we created a brand new channel. If I zoom out, you'll take a look. We've broken down this channel. It's a complete brand new market structure. I think
Yeah.
it tried to come back here. This is the bottom of the market structure. This line, let me put it here. This is the top of the market structure. It tried to, we thought it was going to come back. It didn't, man. It dumped. And we are now in this zone right here. I'm going to go to 5 minute, and I expect this thing to pump. Uh,
Yeah.
I think we get a rebound, maybe even up to 76.
Yeah, but we were expecting a pump. We said like we can expect like a flash crash, a fast crash down, and a pump up. And this is exactly what we've been saying for the past couple of days. Like we're expecting a fast move down and a wick and a bounce up. And I think we're in the bounce up
Here we
right
go.
now.
Market just opened. This red candle here. Market's open. Here we go. Look at this thing move. Here we go. I'm expecting a pump. I think it's going to come up to this range here,
Yeah,
and then
this
it's
is
going to
an
take
important
off.
one.
It's Friday. Look at this. Here we go.
It's
It's
gonna be
the end of
volatile, man.
huh?
It's gonna be volatile, I think. This is an
Let's see.
important close.
I think it pops up to here. It may come back down and then creates a brand new range for the day. There we go. There we go. Yeah, this is why I want to go live to show you that we were right on this technical analysis. There it goes. And if you had leveraged this thing, this would have been a great trade. Look at this. Woo! Come on, baby. Look, see, it's coming back up, right? The next 55 minutes. Let's see if it claims this top bridge. Look at this. Look at that thing move, man. I
Yeah.
love trading market opens and market closes. So if you're in Europe, it's 3:30 in the afternoon. New York, 9:30. Oh, here we go.
Some sell pressure coming in right now.
Yeah, yeah.
The level, they are trying to defend the level.
Oh man, here we go. But if we took this trade here at the open, which is, I wish we had taken a trade, but we
Yeah.
just thought about this just a couple minutes ago. Said, Judy, you want to come on live? Let's take a look at the market open. And it's doing exactly what we predicted it would do. Uh,
Yeah.
Praise God, man. Okay, so here, this is an important level, right? It's going to try to recapture this. So it can go up to, yeah, it can go to 68 very easily. But
Yeah.
at the end of the day, this thing's coming back down. It's trying to open up a brand new channel, break out of this channel here.
Yeah, I was saying like for days, like there's gotta be some type of a relief rally. We went down straight for like 4 months in a row. Like this can't be true. I was expecting some type of sharp move down and then a bounce, a recovery. And in my opinion, this could be, we're in the recovery stage right now, but I'm not sure where it's gonna go to. But in the long term, I do know it's going to be down.
Right. So we are expecting a bounce, and we did get this bounce from 60,000,
Yeah.
59,000. Sorry, this is crazy.
And
That,
when I told people 4 or 5 months ago, yeah, I'm getting out of Bitcoin and I'm thinking at least 40s, 50s, people were laughing. They
oh, I
couldn't
know it.
believe it. And now here we are. I can go this fast. So don't be overconfident in crypto, I think, in my opinion.
Well, that's the whole thing is I just spoke to someone about this greed factor. Someone's asking me, what do you think people should do? This guy's asking me what they should do. I'm like, well, I don't know the financial situation. We don't give financial advice. We're not financial advisors. None of this is financial advice. But I said, what's the greed factor? Right? And in August and September, we're at all-time highs. you and I know, well, that's it, baby. We're going down now. But everyone else stays in until January, February, and that's greed, in my opinion. You want to
Yeah.
open up your chart and throw some charts up? This
Yeah.
thing is still pumping. This thing is still pumping. Look at this. Wow. Let me know when you're ready to share.
Yeah. I'm almost ready.
Look at this. So if we took this trade here, which is what we said at the opening, we think it's going to pump.
Yeah, it would have been a good trade.
This would have been a great trade, and
Great.
I would have come out of profit right now. It blew out past 67, right? We think it's going to retrace. Here comes a retrace. Yeah, I'm going to stop so you can share. Maybe you can do some analysis.
Yeah. Okay. I will share my screen. You can see it?
Yes.
Great. I will remove this.
Wow. Yeah, it cleared that box. It
Yeah.
cleared that box.
And I was saying like yesterday, like we gotta at least close like candles above this level. We cannot lose this level. And here you see again, this level is such an important level because if we break this level, there's almost zero support. So we will get in like a flash crash. And this is like a fast, sharp move, what I was looking for to end. I was looking for a sharp move down. That's usually a signal. Okay, the move has come to an end. We can go see a little recovery, maybe consolidation before we go further down again. And it was interesting to see
Yeah,
what,
there's always that. It's
yeah,
like
there's
it's
always
always
that,
like that
yeah,
that
always,
momentum coming down, right? All that pressure, everyone FOMOs into a short and sells, and that's when all the other people come in and buy. That's what we happen here.
so yeah, I was waiting for this sharp wick to come in. And yeah, the good news is for people who want to see Bitcoin at higher prices, we are holding the most important box, in my opinion. If you lose this level, it wouldn't it is not a good look if we lost this level right here, but we're still holding it, and I'm curious to see how the market is going to react today. If we can hold this level and maybe close a weekly candle above this level, that could be bullish for Bitcoin.
We,
And
we could get to 70. I
yeah, this
honestly
could be
think,
nice actually. This could be
but
nice.
I, at some point, let's be clear, this box is going to get destroyed. So we're
Yeah,
getting a bounce now because that's healthy.
yeah.
But
But
at
you,
some point, it's coming back down. If you go to, can you go to the daily?
oh yeah,
Right. So, okay, it's going to come back in. It's going to come probably to, it could hit 72, right? Because it's going to try to reclaim that support level, and it may get it today. It may chop up over the weekend's Friday, end of trading Fridays, a lot of volume, end
this
of
could be
trading day.
interesting.
And I think it could get to the 72 level, very, very possible, maybe as high as 74. But man, I would come out of that right after that. That's
Yeah.
not something I'm interested in doing.
But
But
what see here, which is interesting, we were talking about the CME gap, right? Like yesterday and the day before.
yes,
If I draw a Fibonacci retracement from the high, daily high right here, this one, and I bring it to the low,
it's right at 84.
it's right at 84K.
It's right at 84 where the CME gap is. This is what I love about technical analysis. Like I love this.
Yeah, so in
Oh,
my
hold on. I'm
opinion,
gonna share my screen very quickly.
oh, okay.
Hold on, check this out.
My lighting is still,
So look at this. So we said come in right here, 67,049. We said it's gonna pump, and you would have made a great trade here. You can take this probably to 72, 74. I think 72 would be the most I would go. I think it's 70 if I'm personally in the trade. 70, I would probably come on out, wait for it hit that top. But this is a beautiful move. We should
nice.
probably trade the New York open more often. We should do that live on YouTube,
Yeah.
maybe.
But this was like the bottom structure I was looking for. I was looking for that sharp move down because it couldn't go. The price never goes straight down only. Like that's not possible. And I was feeling like this move is probably gonna come to an end soon this week, maybe next week. And we finally got that sharp move down. We got a liquidation wick, and we got the fast recovery. And that's what you want to see. You want to see that fast recovery. And yeah, if you look on a weekly time frame, you see a clear, a good wick, and that's a good sign. That's usually a sign of a bottom structure. I don't know if it's going to be like a big bottom or a local bottom. my expectation, my opinion is it's a local bottom and we're gonna go back down again. But you gotta still understand that Bitcoin is like 40% off. So there is some room to the upside here, in my
There
opinion,
is,
for the
but
upcoming weeks and maybe week or two.
yeah, look. Let's look historically here. Look at this. So past, look, if we look here, sharp wick down, skyrockets up, sharp wick down, skyrockets, sharp wick down, comes back down. So to your point that it doesn't go from here straight down, it goes down, sharp wick, bounce,
Yeah.
sharp wick, bounce, sharp wick, bounce, sharp wick, bounce, sharp wick, bounce. So this is the same thing. This is the wick on this one.
It was by far like the worst crash we had though.
And if we look at how this goes, it comes up to the next level support. So it could go as high as 78, but I'm not willing to risk it that high. I think you come out at 70 and you would make you would have made an amazing return
Yeah. If you
on this
use
trade.
leverage to your advantage and
Oh
of course
yeah.
risk management, it would have been a good trade.
So what we want to say before we go, because this is an impromptu meeting, what we want to say is that short term, we think that there is potential going to the upside as high as 72, 74, right, Judah? But at the end of the day, we're in a bear market. The trend is going down. And as we said yesterday and all week, we think it's going to go down into the like under 50. And when it cracks that under 50 mark, that's when we're going to start slowly buying Bitcoin at spot,
Yeah.
right? We're going to start buying, we're going to start moving profits from Viltrixa, from these other projects that we have, mining projects, staking projects, and we're going to move it in to start buying Bitcoin under 50,000. And we're going to cash out when it hits 200,000 at the peak of the bull run. And that's the plan, right? That's the
Yeah.
long-term plan.
The,
Short term, the way we're protecting ourselves is with Viltrixa.ai. Click the link and see some videos below. Please subscribe and also get notified. Click a thumbs up for us. That would greatly be
yeah. Because
appreciated.
if you like the video, the algorithm recommends to more people, and we want to help as much people as possible and get them with good information. So that would really help if you could like the video.
Exactly. And the other thing is, if you think it's better for us to do this at the market open, like we just did here, here's a 5 minute. We called, come on in here.
Yeah.
If you think we should do this at the market open Monday through Friday, and Monday, Wednesday, Friday, please tell us in the comments. Do you want it Monday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday through Friday? We could do market open, market close. Also is going to be good. I think Bitcoin's going to have a positive day today, but be very, very careful. It's extremely volatile. And be safe. Do everything prayerfully and in peace. God bless you guys. Have a great Friday.